and today I'm going to be talking about aloe vera jelly. A tube of aloe vera jelly is a must in every modern household. This valuable gel is essentially identical to the inner leaf gel found in an Aloe barbadensis Miller plant, but this isn't any old aloe plant. There are around 400 species of aloe found in arid regions throughout the world. Each is beneficial in its own way, but only one has been recognised for millennia for its soothing properties, and that's Aloe barbadensis Miller. Our 100% stabilised aloe vera jelly lubricates sensitive tissues safely. It's a thick gel that's ideal for soothing and calming irritation and is suitable for the whole family. The gel contained in the 118ml tube should be liberally applied to affected areas, and it's safe to reapply as often as required. As with any topical product though, it's important to do a patch test before you use it for the first time. Apart from it being suitable for vegetarians, we're proud that Forever's aloe vera jelly holds the International Science Council seal of approval. Thanks for watching.